Stucco Veneziano is an acrylic interior wall coating that enables obtaining a unique glossy decorative finish reminiscent of the stuccos present in age-old Venetian palazzi. A steel trowel is used for primer leveling, whilst steel spatulas of various sizes are necessary for the coated finish. For the preparation of the primer, at least 2 coats of the product are applied depending on the porosity of the surface, considering an average consumption of approximately 1 to 1.2 kilograms per square meter. Apply Stucco Veneziano with the steel trowel, leveling to obtain a smooth, even surface. Wait 5 hours between applications, sanding with no less than 220 grit grade sandpaper. Remove any traces of dust with a dry cloth. Before the finishing job is begun, the stainless steel spatula blade that will be used should be checked. If it is new or seems damaged, smooth out one side of it with 600 grit grade sandpaper to remove imperfections, and then with 1500 grit grade sandpaper to further smooth it. After preparing the primer and the tool, apply a coat of finish with the trowel. This operation must be performed by taking small quantities of the product, spreading it with quick, firm movements in different directions at each stroke, and depositing only a thin coat of the product on the surface. After decorating the area of the wall, which should be approximately half a square meter, it is possible to move on to the gloss finish, pressing the trowel repeatedly and firmly on the surface with circular movements. To heighten the brilliancy of the finish, sanding with fine 1500 grit grade sandpaper and then repeating the gloss finish operation with the steel trowel is recommended.